how to install Citymapper home screen widget on iPhone. So just tap and hold, you'll see apps jiggling, and then you can find Citymapper. So you have different types of widgets. There is small widget, there is like a search widget, and then there is a big widget. So like this is, for example, the widget you can install, and then for example you can just search where you can go, like, and then you will be able to see like the routes available, and then you can see like this app for to use it for the public transit and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically the idea of what you can try, and then it's very convenient to use this app specifically with a search widget. And yeah, this is one of the top apps, to use for your public transit, and yeah, it's quite convenient. So give it a try.